Here's a truth nobody tells you at the start. In Europe, getting admission and actually getting a visa are two different complete games. In fact, in some European Union countries, there isn't even a student visa. They issue a temporary residence permit, often known as TRP. So having an offer letter is like knowing exactly which door has the opportunity, but not having the key to unlock it. Most students who have come to us have already spoken to other consultancies, and they all say the same thing. They showed me universities, they said admission is easy, but nobody explained what happens after that. No one talks about country by country TRP process. No one explains the spouse or dependent pathways. And definitely no one explains the real career pathway after completing your graduation. At Switch Abroad, we do something most others don't. We start with which country has the strong job market according to your background, what their blue card thresholds are like, which courses lead to shortage occupation, how long permanent residency takes in that particular country, and whether you are applying alone or applying with spouse, because the process varies. Then we reverse engineer your journey. Blue card and permanent residency strategy comes first, country and occupation second, university and application at the last. Let's make it real. If you're from an IT background, in Germany, blue card minimum salary threshold is 45,000 euros. But in Latvia or Lithuania, it's even lower. In Finland, half of your education duration can count towards permanent residency. If we plan your course and country around these numbers, you're not getting just a degree, you're building a job and permanent residency pathway from day one. The offer letter is just the beginning. Every country has its own documentation maze. APS evaluation for Germany, MIGRI for Finland, NOTUC for Norway, MEA, attestation, Hello Verified, PCC, apostille, oath affidavits, and a lot more. And if you're applying with spouse, the process changes even more. This isn't something you figure out on YouTube in just one night. This is something only someone who actually knows the walk around can handle. So ask yourself, do you just want to get an admission letter or do you want a clear, structured, and legal pathway to job, blue card, and permanent residency in Europe? Because most consultancies stop at the offer letter and we begin from there. Our students don't just go to Europe, they go with the blueprint. Public universities and affordable countries, course selection aligned with the occupation shortage list, visa and TRP filing strategy, country by country, spouse and dependent planning from day one, documentation done exactly right, and a dedicated point of contact who walks with them every step of the way. All of this is done by people who knows the system and how it exactly works. Yes, we have a service fee, but unlike other consultancies, they get paid by the universities to push into random courses. We only work for you. You're not paying for an offer letter. You're investing in the key that unlocks your future in Europe. Book your one-on-one strategy session with Switch Abroad today.